Hi, I'm Amanda, and you're watching Lowe's How To Anything. I'm really excited because today we're going to be building and installing faux beams on a living room ceiling. Now, if you have really bare and boring looking ceilings, this is a great way to jazz it up with some color, dimension, and texture with the faux beams. All right, we're here in the space that we're gonna be putting the faux beams in, and I've marked out roughly where I wanna put my beams, but first we gotta do some prep work for the ceiling, so let's get to work. So first I'm gonna mark where all my joists are because that's where we're going to be anchoring these beams, and we wanna make sure they are as secure as possible because they are wood beams hanging over your head. So let's use a stud finder to find each one. I'm gonna measure the length of the room, and that's super important so that we know exactly how much wood we're gonna need. Now that everything has been measured and we have all of the wood that we need, we're gonna take some 2x6 boards and secure them to our joists. But first we're gonna need to make some cuts because then we can make sure everything is gonna fit. We're securing our 2x6 boards to our joists with 3-inch screws, and I have my friend Chris here helping me out because these boards can get really heavy, so make sure to get a friend if you need help. All right, we've finished securing our 2x6 boards, and now I'm going to take 2 1x4 boards for the sides and 1 1x6 board for the front. I've got my 2 side pieces and my front piece, and before we assemble the beam, we're gonna go ahead and sand it. So don't forget, safety first. All right, so now that everything is sanded and smooth, I'm gonna use wood glue and my nail gun in order to attach the sideboards to the front board. Our wood glue and wood filler are all dry. We're gonna take our sander and go over it once more just to make everything smooth and then stain it. And what I've chosen is this Minwax espresso color. But what's great is Lowe's has so many different options for colors and stains that you can customize it to the way you want it to look in your home. Finished staining, and now we're going to install the beams, and you might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit because this will be a snug fit, but it's going to look great. Faux beams are up inside and the ceiling looks amazing. And remember, you can buy everything that you need to build and install your own faux beams at Lowe's or Lowes.com. And remember, if you're shopping at Lowe's and you can't find something, just download the Lowe's app and the map search will tell you exactly where that item is in the store. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe and comment down below to let me know what you want to see in our next How To Anything video.